Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this RayBan model, Aviator RB3025 in color code 122/4L. It's a matte gold color frame. On the temples, we have a transparent finish at the tip of the temples, as well for the other side. This is the back of the frame, and this frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a polarized blue mirror fashion aviator shape with the RayBan engraved logo on the top right lens with a P for polarized as well. They are RXable. Up here we have the RayBan gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a RayBan booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.